What's good, Wave family? It's your boy Ocean Shot, and today I have all the information you need to enter into the Ocean Views Buckeye Red Velvet Do-Rag giveaway. But before we get into that, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how to close your crown. Then we're gonna end the video off with a brush session. So let's get to it, man. Grab your brushes now.
Tell these hoes, oh no, don't have no time for communication.
The products you're going to need to close your crown is either going to be a medium or a hard brush to get that good pull, and then you're going to need a thicker pomade, something like a Murray's, but in my case, all I use is natural products, so it's going to be code label woofing pomade. And the reason why you need something thicker, so it can lay your hair down and it can actually stay, since your hair is very fine. It's going to move easily if you use a lighter pomade. So what you're going to do is grab a decent amount of pomade and apply it around the crown. And it don't matter, looks like I put too much, cause I'm gonna just brush it in either way. So once you have it completely around your crown, you wanna go ahead and grab that medium or hard brush that we talked about earlier and brush around your crown.
I lost my soul, the devil resting in me. Don't let me catch your whole her toes will touch the ceiling. I know my niggas feel me. Ride down 7, 2 pigs in my bag. Nigga try to check, put my name out of that. I know I'm out of town, but that money thirsts my ass. Since shots out the window, seen that car heat crash. I wanted to kill everybody. I wanted to kill everybody, but niggas don't fuck with my profits. Introduce you to fire for rockets. Let me stop it. My only focus did that paper, fuck that ass shit.
Before we get to this full-on brush session, I gotta give y'all the information to enter into the Ocean Views Buckeye Red Velvet Do-Rag giveaway. The first thing you guys gotta do is subscribe to this YouTube channel if you already have it. The second thing is follow my business Instagram at Ocean Views Beauty. The third thing you guys need to do is to tag one friend under the picture on Instagram and then comment done. We're gonna announce the winner on Sunday. Now let's get to this brush session.
No communication, I don't wanna tame you. Just give me that, can be the only labor. Digging in your body while I'm gripping on your ankle. Be slow, after that ain't no cutting into the money. I'm running it, make it rain like I'm flooding shit.
I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and all my followers on Instagram. Stay tuned, our actual website is coming soon, and we out.